little children. I hope all of you are doing absolutely good. So this is Jasmine Ma'am and I'm over here to give you a list of colleges that gives CSE, that is Computer Science and Engineering, as a course in their college. And not just that, we'll be also talking about the colleges that have the allied courses of CSE. For example, CSE with AI/ML, that is Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, or CSE with Cybersecurity, CSE with Data Science. A lot of courses are there, right? So we are going to talk about all of it over here. But before I go ahead, there is one very important thing. Not one. There are actually three very important things that I want to tell you. First one, I hope all of you have registered for COMEDK Counselling. If at all you have not registered, you have to do that. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to participate in the counselling process. Now, the last date for that is 8th of June. If at all you are waiting for your KCET results, please understand that if you feel that I am going to get a great rank, okay, you have checked your COMEDK rank and you feel that you're going to get a great rank, then you can take a risk of not registering if you do not wish to participate in COMEDK Counselling. But if not, you have to register. Do not take the risk. Okay, cool. Now the second part of the story is basically over here, I am going to talk about the colleges and their cutoff for the previous year, because this year cutoff obviously will not be released now. It will take some time, right? So this is the previous year cutoff. That means that I have the previous year data of what all courses were there in a college. There are chances that certain courses might be removed. There are chances certain other allied courses of CSE could be added up also. Or there are chances that certain colleges which did not provide CSE until now would be providing something like that. Okay, so we have to wait for the seat matrix for getting to have an understanding of the same. I hope that works, right? Now, so that was the second thing that I wanted to tell you. The third thing is that do not take CSE because your friends are taking. No, it's because you should be having genuine interest for that particular field and you're pretty sure about what are the offerings of this particular course. You know that if I'm doing CSE, what are the job offers that I'll be landing up. It's not like I do not know anything about it, but I know that everyone wants it, so I'm going to take it. No. And also one more very important thing, I'll be showing whatever colleges offered CSE the previous year. That does not mean that you have to take it up. Okay, please understand, in COMEDK the fees is slightly higher than KCET. Okay, it is slightly lesser than management fees, definitely. But for the colleges that you're going to see towards the end, which takes entry with the help of lower cutoff rank, it's not just that, okay, there's lower cutoff rank, it matches mine, I'll just take it up because I just want to do that. No, please examine, please cross-check the college really well. You're investing your money and you have to do it every year. It's not a one-year thing, and you are going to study there. It's going to decide a lot of things in your life. Yes, you can do your college again, but the time that is gone, right? So make sure you take an informed decision. If not this, then you should be having an alternate option as well. Works? So I hope I have spoken about certain things which had to be made clear, and I hope it's there in our head, and that's how we go ahead for the list. And before I go ahead, please hit on the subscribe button if at all you do not want to miss out any updates regarding COMEDK as well as KCET. So the first, the bar of colleges that we have is the colleges that we can get from rank 1 to rank 10,000. Going ahead over here, you have, so you can take a screenshot of it if at all you want. The college code is also mentioned over here. Every college will be having unique college code. So in RVC College of Engineering, we have 4 branches of CS. One is Computer Science and Engineering. The cutoff was 692 the previous year. Then we have CSE with Data Science. The cutoff was 890. Now will we have the same cutoff this year? Obviously it will change. Okay, it is definitely going to change, but at least you will have an idea. Okay, with my score, are there chances? If not, then I have to look for the next option that is there. You get it? That's why I have put them in order itself, so that you do not find any difficulty. Now CSE with AI/ML is also there. 975 was the cutoff. CSE with Cybersecurity, 1091 was the cutoff. So you are getting CS branch over here and here, but this is a plain branch, and this is what with Cybersecurity, and over here the cutoff is 1091. So those of you who do not understand the cutoff things, listen to me. If you are someone who had got a rank within this range, that's this, for example, I'm looking for cybersecurity, my rank should be within 1091. That means 1000 is fine, 900 is fine, 1088 is also fine, but it should not go beyond. For example, it's 1092, then will I get it? No. You get it? That's the logic. Now from, okay, that's about RVC College of Engineering. Now we have MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, E077 is the college code. Here also you have 3 courses. One is CSE plain, the cutoff was 1667. And then we have CSE with AIML, 2098 was the cutoff. Then we have CSE with Cybersecurity, 2852 was the cutoff. Cool. Now we have BMS E027 is the college code. BMS College of Engineering has 2 courses. One is CSE plain, 5312 was the cutoff previous year. This is round 4 cutoff, the last round cutoff. The first round would be even more tougher. Okay, now towards the last round it becomes a bit lenient. Now computer science with engineering, data science, 5610 was the cutoff. And I must say you should be having COMEDK as a backup. Okay, if at all you're someone who has got good rank in COMEDK, you should definitely consider COMEDK as well. And if you have got a decent rank, still you should consider COMEDK. Listen, in COMEDK, if at all you're getting a college, there is a chance for you to surrender that college before round 3. Okay, before round 3, you can give up that college and you will get your money back. Suppose you're getting it elsewhere, you can surrender it. So don't think like that you cannot surrender, but you should know the rules behind it, and for that you have to be updated, which is why I told you hit on the subscribe button right now. Okay, so that's about the first list of colleges that we have. Now continuation of that, we have SJC College of Engineering. It's a constituent college of JSS Technology, JSS Science and Technology University. Anyway, so they have different, so basically it's considered to be one college, but they have different college codes. Please know, SJCE and JSS Science and Technology has a different college code. Please know that. In SJCE, which the college code is E058, you just have CSE. The cutoff was 7156. Cool. Okay, now we have Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering. Please understand there are so many Dayananda Sagar. One is Dayananda Sagar Academy, one is college, so you should know. E040 is the cutoff that you have over here. You have 4 branches of CSE. CSE plain was 7819, the cutoff. Computer Science and Engineering with Data Science, it was 8322. Computer Science and Engineering with Cybersecurity, it was 9105. And Computer Science and Design, it was 11261. So now we have crossed the bar of 10 and we have went to 11. So these are the top colleges, if at all you generally ask me. These are the top colleges that you have. And basically, how do you understand that they are top colleges, or what is the basic criteria? Listen, we cannot talk about the placement, we cannot talk about the exposure, because different colleges have different levels of it. Okay, and they could showcase anything. But when you talk about the cutoff, usually the best colleges out there, they have a tighter cutoff. They want academically strong students to get in, and basically in those places only good placements usually occur. Now that could be sometimes wrong as well. In some colleges which are coming in the medium range, they also have good placements. So we cannot obviously say that always, but this is how it is. Okay, in general. So yes. Now going ahead with the next set of colleges from 10,000 to 30,000 rank. Now here the list is going to be broader. You have JSS Science and Technology University. I told you JSS STU. Okay. Here the college code is E061, and you had 2 courses, CSE and CSE with AIML. CSE plain was 15,742 was the cutoff. Sorry, 15,742, and CSE with AIML, it was 16,101. Now beyond that you have BIT, that is Bangalore Institute of Technology, Vivipuram. E019 is the cutoff, and over here the cutoff was for CSE was 16,423. For CSE with Data Science, it was 18,272. Cool. Yes. Now going ahead, we have the next college, E125, Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur. SIT Tumkur is what we call it. CSE is there, 19,691 was the cutoff. Computer Science and Engineering with AIML is there, 20,772 is the cutoff. Then we have BMS Institute of Technology and Management, Yelahanka. This is BMS IT. This is not the BMS, same BMS college. That is known as BMS CE. Here it is known as BMS IT. The college code is E028, and over here you just have one course, and that is CSE. And the cutoff was 19,984. Make a list for yourself like this. It will be really useful. Okay, and whichever colleges are probably removing CSE, you can just have them removed also along with that. Okay, so this is very important. Make sure you check through. Cool. Yes. So now going ahead, we have continuation of that, and that is RV Institute of Technology and Management. We have so many things out there. One is RV ITM. E198 is the college code. Over here you have two courses, CSE and CSE with AIML. Here the the cutoff which is there is 21,189 for CSE plain. For CSE with AIML it is 24,673. Now, post that we have National Institute of Engineering North Campus. So there is North and South Campus. Here you have North Campus. E085 was the college code, and you have two courses, CSE and CSE with AIML. The cutoff goes like this: 24,347 and 25,039. This is for CSE with AIML. Going ahead, we have CMR Institute of Technology Brookfield. Over here the college code is E032, and over here, okay, Computer Science, the cutoff was 26,223. Then you had CSE with AIML, the cutoff was 26,892. And we have CSE with Data Science, the cutoff was 29,052. So this is the list that you need to follow. Cool. Yes. And now we have colleges ranging from 30,000 to 50,000 as well. By the way, if at all you want to take a screenshot of all this thing, you can do that. Okay, I'll just move aside. This is the first one. The college cutoff is mentioned over there. You have the next one right over here. Yeah, take a screenshot. Then you have the next one right over here. Then you have the next one. And now we are going to go ahead with 30,000 to 50,000. So starting with Geetham deemed to be university, you have four courses. CSE plain is there, 32,484 was the cutoff. CSE with AIML is there, 38,125 was the cutoff. CSE with data science, 53,533 was the cutoff. And CSE with cybersecurity, 56,380 was the cutoff. Going ahead, you have Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Over here, you just have one course, that is CSE. Cutoff was 35,910. The college code is E137. Then we have Sir M. Vishwesvaraya Institute of Technology, Yelahanka, Bangalore. Two courses are there, CSE and data science. CSE with data science. For CSE it was 36,563. For CSE with data science it was 37,806 the previous year. Then you have BNMIT in Bangalore itself. E015 was the college code. Only one course is there, that is CSE, and over here the cutoff is 36,964. Okay, 36,964. Then we have KLE Technological University, that is known as BV. It was formerly known as BVB CET. Only one course is there, that is CSE, and the cutoff for that is 42,269. Cool. And now we have RNS Institute of Technology. We have four courses in RNSIT. E104 was the college code, and the four courses are CSE. Cutoff was 42,678. CSE with AIML, the cutoff was 46,906. CSE with data science, the cutoff was 48,497. And CSE with cybersecurity, the cutoff went up to 50,778. Again, please take a screenshot of this. It could be helpful. Now, going ahead, you have Veera University, Bangalore. Okay, E164 is the college code, and you have two courses. One is CSE with information, CS and information technology. 44,001 was the cutoff, and computer science and information. Just a second. I think this was supposed to be CSE. Okay, 44,001 was the cutoff, and CS with information technology, it was 71,350. Cool, works. So I'll just have a check and I'll let you know. I'm confused whether it was CSE or CSE AIML. I'll just have a check. Anyways, so that is how it is. Just give me a second, I'll check it right now. Yeah, so over here it is CSE with AIML. Okay, CSE with AIML. The cutoff was 44,001. Okay, I think there is a copying error. And yes, again, you can take a screenshot of it as well. Now, going ahead to the next set of colleges from 50,000 to 1 lakh. It's not 70,000, it is 1 lakh we're going to see, and over here it is going to be very, very, very huge. Okay, so it will be quite impossible for me to read all of it. It will take too much time, which is why I'll just give you a brief of it. Yeah, you can take a screenshot of it. It works. Bangalore Technological Institute E020 was the college code. CSE is the course that you have. 53,793 was the cutoff. Then you have Dayananda Sagar Academy. As I told you, you have 4 courses. One is with CSE AIML, one is CSE plain, one is CSE with data science, and then you have CSE with cyber security as well. And the cutoff basically ranges from 54,107 to 73,943 in this particular college. You have further E055, that is GSS Institute of Engineering and Technology. This is particularly for women candidates, and you have 2 courses, CSE and CSE with AIML. For plain CSE, it was 54,607. For CSE with AIML, it was 56,718. Okay, then you have E084, Nagarjuna College of Engineering and Technology. You have 1 course, CSE with AIML. Cutoff was 59,079. Then you have East Point College of Engineering, E046 is the college code. You have 2 courses, CSE plain and CSE with AIML. CSE with AIML, the college cutoff is 59,837. For CSE plain, it is 86,011. Cool. So even though I'm saying I should not be reading, I'm reading it, right? Anyways, so now we have the next set of them, but before that, please take a screenshot of this. Okay, now we have Presidency University Yelahanka, Bangalore. For E173 was the college code. You have so many courses, okay? CSE with DevOps, CSE Cybersecurity, CSE Data Science, CSE IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. Plain CSE is there. CSE with AIML is also there. The college cutoff ranges from 60,930. It went up to 1,08,990 also. Okay, and that was for AIML and things like that. Again, as I said, do not just blindly go ahead with things. And over here, I have noticed one thing. The previous year, even though the COMEDK bracket for fee was this much, okay, amount was being specified, in private university, the amount went beyond that also. Okay, so you have to be careful out there. Now you have JSS Academy of Technical Education, and E060 is the college code. Over here you have 2 courses, CSE and CSE with AIML. For CSE it was 61,469. For CSE with AIML it was 68,949. Now you have Jyoti Institute of Technology also. E156 is the college code over here, and you have 1 course, CSE itself. 61,663 was the cutoff the previous year. Then you have E089, PES College of Engineering. This is not PES University, this is different. It's in Mandya. You have 3 courses, CSE with AIML, CSE with Data Science, CSE plain also. The cutoff ranged from 62,004 and it went up to 82,130. And then you have Garden City University E049. Here the cutoff went up to 63,842. Again, we can take a screenshot of this. Okay. Now we have another list of colleges, starting with KLS Gokte Institute of Technology, where you have CSE and 65,197 was the cutoff. Then you have Gopalan College, SDM is there, GM Institute is there, Maharaja Institute of Technology is there, Don Bosco Institute of Technology is there also there. And there are 2 courses, one is CSE with AIML and CSE plain. For CSE with AIML, 71,736 was there, and for CSE, 78,693. Somehow I remember that placement was not too bad, that's why I just spoke about it. Jain College of Engineering is also there, E062. Only 1 course is there, and that is CSE, and the cutoff was 73,621. Cool? Yes. Take a screenshot of this, please. Now, going ahead, we have Cambridge Institute of Technology, E161 is the college code. 2 courses are there. One is CSE, one is CSE with AIML. Cutoff, as you can see, it is 77,553 for plain and 78,588 for CSE with AIML. Then you have CMR University, E187 is the college code. You have 4 courses are there, and the cutoff you can clearly see up there. Okay, then we have Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, 2 courses are there, CSE plain and CSE AIML. We have KS Institute of Technology, Kanakpura. Computer Science and Engineering is the only course that is there. Malanad College, CSE is only there. And Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, here you have 2 courses, CSE and CSE with Data Science. Cool? Okay. So this is for those of you who probably have got somewhere between like 70 to 80,000 rank, it can be considered. Okay. Now, I hope you have taken this screenshot. Now you have Saptagiri NPS University and Pest Institute of Technology and Management, Akash Institute of Engineering and Technology. Here both the two places you had just had CSE, in one place you had CSE with AIML. Cambridge Institute of Technology you have CSE with Data Science and plain CSE also. Raja Rajeshwari you have CSE only. SSETS over here just Computer Science and Engineering. East West Institute only Computer Science and Engineering. BGS College of Engineering again Computer Science and Engineering. So please take a screenshot if at all you're looking for a rank range that is between 80,000 to I think 90, 80,000 and up to 89 or something like that. Cool. Yes. Now going ahead over here, there are some colleges some courses that you can get with 1 lakh rank as well. Okay. So yeah, now we have BLDS, VP, Doctor, PG, Halakati College of Engineering and Technology with CSE only, Jain College of Engineering and Technology, Hubli with only CSE again, Global Academy of Technology, 2 courses are there, CSE with AIML and CSE with Engineering, Vemana Institute of Technology, only 1 course, CSE, Adi Chinchanagiri Institute of Technology, only 1 course, Computer Science, that is CSE, Maharaja Institute of Technology, this is different location, over here 3 places, Computer Science and Engineering, sorry, 3 courses are there, CSE with AIML, CSE with Data Science and CSE plain. Okay, and then KLE Technological University, formerly known as KLE. So there are different 2 type of KLE. Okay, one is formerly known as BBVCT, and over here this is KLE. That was formerly known as KLE Dr. M.S. Seshagiri. So it's kind of a little different. Please note that. So only 1 course is there, and that is CSE. Okay, and this is from 91 to 99. Please take a screenshot. By the way, I hope that this video is somehow helping you understand that what are the colleges that you could be getting, and obviously you can bring along the changes. Yeah? Yes. Now we have E012 Atria Institute of Technology, and then here you have 2 courses, CSE and CSE with Data Science. Then you have E112 over here, you have Sahyadri College of Engineering, CSE is there, and the college code, the bracket which is there is 1,34,000. And over here you have AMC Engineering College, 2 courses are there, one is CSE and one is CSE with AIML. Again 1,02,932 to 1,10,976. Then you have Bashveshwar Engineering College. Over here E024 is the college code. Computer Science and Engineering is the only course that you have, and you can see the cutoff. Acharya Institute of Technology is there, 2 courses are there, CSE with Data Science and CSE plain as well. Okay. Now Alliance College of Engineering, 2 courses are there, CSE with Cybersecurity and CSE plain. Cool. And the cutoff is also been mentioned. Please take a screenshot. And now I think this would be the last one. That is Sai Vidya Institute of Technology E113, only CSE is there. Vidya Vikas College Institute of Engineering, only CSE is there. SJV Institute of Technology Kengeri Bangalore, Computer Science Engineering is there. Along with that, CSE with Data Science is also there. Then you have KLS Vishwantrao Deshpande Institute of Technology. Over here you just have CSE. Then you have Bapuji Institute of Engineering and Technology. Over here you just have CSE. So these are the courses that you have. Please make sure you look to it. Cool? Yes. And with that, we end this particular video. As I said, take an informed decision. It's okay if you're looking for the last colleges as well, but you need to do proper research only, and then only you should be going ahead. It's not like you just randomly take a decision just because your cutoff, your rank matches with the cutoff. You have to take responsibility for that. Okay, it's not like your parents are going to tell you, your friends are going to tell you, your teacher is going to tell you. No, you have to take the responsibility. You can connect to children via LinkedIn. Children as in basically children who have passed out or probably studying there. You can ask their opinion about the courses that you're planning to take. If it's working good, you can go ahead for it. Okay, works? So that's all for today. Wishing you the best, and as I said, do not forget to hit the subscribe button for getting all the updates. Bye bye.